Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to use form controls combo box in Excel. So for this, we'll go in Excel workbook. To use form controls, it is necessary that your developer option is activated. How to activate it? Go in File, Options, Customize ribbon, Popular commands, tick mark on developer and click OK. Now activate the Insert tab and the combo box from here. Just drag it and drop it. Right click on it and format the control. Input range, select it. Cell link, C1 and drop down lines, make it 12, 3D setting, click OK. Now just see what it can do. When I select the January month, in C1 it will display the month in numbers. February, March, April, November. So this is how you can use form controls combo box in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.